first walk through a forest? Your first swim in a lake? Your first field of flowers? Your first waterfall? Do you remember spotting a frog, swan, elephant, or even a whale? Such magical moments, when we experience the wonders of nature, create memories that strongly affect our relationship with it. They change us forever. We develop personal connections to nature that lead to lifelong love and support. Today, many of us face barriers to experiencing nature, like sprawling urban environments, demands of busy lifestyles, lack of knowledge, or the resources to make experience in nature a part of our lives. What if that changed? What if we all had the opportunity to connect with nature, especially at an early age? What if we lived in a world in harmony and in love with nature? That's why we have created Nature for All. At the core is a very simple idea. The more people connect with and share their love for nature, the more support there will be for its conservation. Nature for All will raise awareness, enable and motivate people from all walks of life to experience nature. It will create transformational moments, opportunities, and pathways to lifelong personal connections and commitments to the natural world. We invite you to join us in creating a world with Nature for All, the global movement to inspire a new generation across all sectors of society to value nature and take action to support conservation. Visit www.natureforall.global to find out how you can participate today.